Hello there, welcome back to your favorite channel, and in this quick video I'm going to be guiding you to how you can withdraw your ZAI or ZenAI coin, the airdrop from the ZShot trading place and then move it to any of your preferred exchanges. All right, so remember that if you already missed off-chain withdrawal to Binance, now you can only withdraw on-chain, and on-chain it goes to ZShot, and inside ZShot, once you've got it there, the next thing to do is to sell it. Now what I've done already is I've already sold it. All right, I showed it in the other video how you could sell it, so I've already sold it, but what I want to do now is to show you the withdrawal process. So what you just do, I'm still going to try to do a sell, show a sell, how to sell. Okay, so like here now, they've made some withdrawal here. You can see the value of the ZAI has appreciated. All right, so the only thing I can do now is to buy, but I'm not buying. Okay, if you tap here, you can show you buy. You can see that my balance has been, I've removed it already. So but if if you haven't sold it, you will still see the sell button here red, then the green button buy on the other side. So what you just need to tap on sell and then select the quantity maximum, and then you sell. All right, so after you've sold, okay, so it's been added to the balance I have here. So this is it. So if my cash here is 13.737 and the ZShot is now 0, you can see it here now. What I'll do here now is to withdraw, and I'm going to go over to my Bitget wallet and copy the address for my USDC Solana network, USDC Solana, and then I'll come back here to paste it. So let me go over to Bitget right now. All right, so quickly you want to get the address for your USDC Solana. I'm using Bitget, so you can use any exchange of your choice, Binance, Binance, anyone at all, since we already missed the off exchange or off chain withdrawal. So you're going to be using Bitget here. So I'll tap on add funds, tap on deposit crypto, and then we're going to be looking for USDC. You can see it here, there. However, you can actually search it there, USDC, search it out. That's the USD coin. All right, so and you choose your network. We are not using BEP20 Binance matching. We are not using Optimism. We are not using Polygon. We are not using ERC20. We are not using Base. We are not using IVX, Chain. We are using Solana network. So it's USDC Solana network that we're going to be selecting there. So that is it. So we'll now copy the address. All right. So as we copy it, we'll now go over back to Telegram to send it. So let's go ahead and do it. All right, so having copied the address from my Bitget wallet now, so I'm back here now. So next thing to do here is to tap on withdraw. All right, so how much I'm withdrawing max. All right, so this USDC, so I tap on withdraw. All right, so it's going to ask me to paste my address, so the Solana address, so I tap here to paste. Okay. All right, so next is to send. All right, buy successful, so I have sent it. Okay, so and okay, now so what we're going to do now is to head over to my Bitget wallet, and then there we go and check to see if it has arrived there. So let's head over to my Bitget and quickly complete that and be sure that it has arrived in my Bitget. Let's go. All right, so now you see I've just come back to my Bitget. You can see that the balance has been added already. If you just go to my assets, you will see the USDC. You can see the USDC coin. look at it, USD coin here, you can see 13.37, exactly how much now. Now you can see that the only gas fee you pay is the gas fee you pay to receive the airdrop. So converting it, well, a little, you just pay a little fee, about 0.5 USDC again, because after I sold it, I think it should have been $14, but 0.5 I guess was removed again. So you can see that it has reflected here. So this is how fast it can be. All right, it's not even up to 2 minutes, and it has arrived already in my Bitget wallet. So that's how you can actually withdraw. Now, if I want to now withdraw the USDC, I can actually convert it to USDT and sell. Like if I tap on it now, okay, I can actually go back home here and go to, okay, let's go to, remain here. So I just tap on transfer, or rather I will need to do convert. So I tap on more. If you're using Bitget, this is the only time you can use this. If you're using Bitget, so you just tap on more and look for convert, and this time I'm going to switch this, and then I'll use USDC, and then okay, so that is it. Okay, so max and get quotes. All right, so it's just that three. Okay, go ahead and claim it. So it's confirmed. So if I go back to assets now, you see that you can see that it has added to my USDT. So this is very smooth. So if you now want to withdraw your USDT, you can withdraw it. All right, you know how to do that already, I guess. So that's how you go about it. So go ahead and give this video a like, comment, share, and subscribe, and let's see you in the next. Thank you and God bless you.